Hey, it's me, Dr. Sean, and this is for Fortis. This is week 2, middle of the week, so it's around Wednesday-ish. And Wednesday, we have the first part of a discussion to be due, right? And that's the answering the discussion. This one's on survival. Let's go back real quick, and I'll see if I can get a little bit of that one figured out. Squeeze this down. But there we go. That's actually much better. And if we go down to modules, I'm just going to do like a 2 or 3 minutes. Couple things for last week. Remember the discussion part 2, which is like answer to other people, respond to other people, and don't just say I agree, and don't just say well done. Add to the conversation. That's the important part. I will leave some hints in there as well, and some of you are doing really good on that because you're giving people some fuel and some little things to start another conversation, which is really good. I like seeing that. Thank you very much. And just make sure you get those 2 things in there because that's going to affect your grade pretty significantly if you don't get those done. And also, don't forget to watch grammar and things like that. But as we go down through this, we're going to look down here at the modules. Everybody did, it looks like curriculum. What's that little, you guys had a quiz on there, something like the course, syllabus, course, policies quiz. Those look all really good. I'm proud of you guys for doing that one. It's just a couple points. Helps you out a little bit. I am working through here. Let's go through week 1. Let's look at week 2 already. Why not? Because we're here. So week 2, the overview, the learning outcomes, expectations, integumentary system. So I did other videos on integumentary, which is skin, right? There's 3 layers of skin, and I did one on the skeleton. There's 206 bones in the adult skeleton. There's 300 if you're a baby, because babies don't even have kneecaps, which is weird. But they have like a lot of little extra bones because they have to fuse together to become the big bones that we know as adults. Muscular system, there's around 600 muscles. Don't worry too much about that. You don't have to learn all 600, but it's good to have a working knowledge of which muscles do what and where. Most of them, some are flexors and some are extensors, and every muscle pulls, none of them push. So it's just the way that our structure is set up that allows us to push things, but it's not done by pushing of a muscle. It's a pulling of a muscle. Um, basic stuff in here. Looks like I think the discussion board is on survival. I left some hints in there for you as well. Good to do those. It looks like some people didn't get those done like we would hope, but that's okay. Keep working on that stuff, okay? Make sure you get 2 responses to other people. If you're having problems with anything in the class, make sure and contact me. A lot of people had problems with the book, opening the book in the first week, and this is super common. It happens every single term because we're getting used to this new system. And the other part is sometimes people have problems submitting things, but I haven't seen that this term, so I'm very proud of you again for that one. And usually I talk about a 1% score, which I haven't given any out this week for either of the classes that I'm teaching. And that makes me happy. And that should make you happy too. That means that everything's getting turned in the proper format and we're getting everything going. So this is really good news. Keep hammering away at stuff. If you have problems, contact me. If we go over here, you can see my little, hopefully my, what's that called? What's that thing called? The cursor. Anyway, cursor, go over to the inbox right here and click that, and then you can send me a message in this portal. That's the best place to get it because that's what I check a couple times a day. Anyway, I'm going to be posting this today. I did do some other videos. If you do the tutoring, you can look at the tutoring schedule, which I did email to you and I did send out in announcements. And that's it. I only wanted to do 3.5 minutes. And there we go. 3 minutes, 42 seconds. Pretty good. Talk to you later. Bye. Have a good day. And, do the things.